Eclipse, what do you got hiding back there?
That's my baby.
The 2024 BorromeodeSilva Mustang STL1 isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece engineered for exhilaration. At its heart, a Roadrunner engine with a forged steel crankshaft and forged aluminum pistons, inspired by the 302R racecar. This beast boasts a high-lift exhaust camshaft and a staggering compression ratio of 11:1, pushing boundaries with 444 horsepower at a thrilling 7,400 RPM redline. But the power isn't just under the hood. The Mustang STL1 features a symphony of engineering marvels, from tubular A-frame style control arms to manual rack and pinion steering, ensuring every turn is sharp, every move precise. Front and rear drilled and slotted disc rotors, paired with heavy-duty aluminum calipers, command every stop with authority. And let's not overlook the aesthetics. This model sports a brand new 1006 automotive-grade steel body, tougher yet retaining its iconic silhouette. Coupled with a high-performance, uniquely custom exhaust system, using top-notch aerospace materials for better flow and reduced weight.